Buon appetito, primita. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Buon appetito. Mm. Mm. I didn't really like that bad. Bye, primitas.
Jack in the Box came out with a couple new items, so y'all know I had to try it. They collabed with Deadpool to come out with this new combo meal. Got their new chimmy minis. Just watched the movie. I personally liked it. This food better match it. These chimmies are soft. This might be my new favorite thing from Jack in the Crack. It's like a little pillow. Hands down, one of the best things they've ever came out with. These are up there with the mini tacos. They only come with 5. I need 14 of them. This is probably what Deadpool tastes like. Well. A little bit of syrup on there. What did you guys think about the movie? Classic chicken and waffle. When did their chicken tenders get this good? Waffle tastes like it was fried a little too long. Next are their spicy tenders. I wish they came out with a Wolverine meal. Looks kind of spicy. You can see the pepper on there. Feels very hard though. Actually not that spicy. I'd rate the movie and the food an 8.7. Really like the concept of this meal. Some things could have been fried just a little bit less. I like it, I approve, and yes, I would try it again.
Jack in the Box now has wings, so we're trying them for lunch. Garlic parm and buffalo. Dry rub, wet rub. Rubbed out pretty evenly. Don't think these are considered a dry rub. Parmesan's dry, but garlic sauce is wet. They're actually pretty decent. Crispier than I thought. You go too much parm, it's overpowering. Too little, no flavor. Whoever rubbed these out though, did a good job. They covered them pretty well. Look at all that extra rub, but I like to see. For not being a big garlic parmesan fan, especially from Jack in the Box, $9 for each of these. That's $1.50 a wing. Pretty sure buffalo here is Frank's Red Hot, which I'm not upset about, and which is spicy. These looked a lot smaller in pictures. Pretty good amount of meat on them. They're actually crispy. They're not dry at all. This has got to be the best 1-2 combo in the sauce game. Buffalo Ranch. But what about Buffalo Garlic Parmesan? It works. Decent sized wings, decent price, quick for on the go. Lunch score, 8.2.
Have you guys ever had Jack in the Box? Let's eat Jack in the Box. Did you guys know the only way you could tickle yourself is to lick the roof of your mouth? Try it. Wow. This is freaking delicious. What the heck? I did not expect this. Onion rings. I just scraped the roof of my freaking mouth. Curly fries. Not much of a fan of these though. If you want Jack in the Box, get this burger. Bacon double smash Jack.